Hello students, we are in the next lecture of crop production. This is a lecture 2. In previous lecture we have discussed the classification of food grain according to their purpose. Now in this video we will study the classification of the crop according to the season. In India there are two types of season. First is Rabi season, Kharif season, and second is Rabi season. Now Kharif season. Now talking about Kharif season or Kharif crop. Kharif season are mainly started in the beginning of the southwest monsoon. They required lot of water, so they are sown in the beginning of the monsoon. Mostly they are sown in the month of June and July, and they are harvested in the month of September and October. As you can see that they are sown in the month of June and July, and they are harvested in the month of September and October. The main examples of these crops are rice, maize, soybean and cotton. Maize means putta. Now the second season is Rabi season. The Rabi season is sown in the beginning of winter. That is in the month of October and December. Now they are harvested in the month of March and April. The main example of this crop are wheat, gram, as you can see, chana, pea, matar, and mustard, rye, and linseed, that is alsi. Now the main steps are required in the crop production are: first step is the preparation of the soil. Second step is the selection of the seed and sowing. The third step is manuring. The fourth step is irrigation, and the fifth step is weeding. Sixth step is protecting from pests and diseases. Seventh step is harvesting and threshing and winnowing. And the last step is storage. In this video, only this. Next, we will continue in the next lecture.